Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to change screen timeout on Windows 10 or 11. So guys, to set screen timeout on your Windows 11 or 10, follow some easy steps. Click on Start Settings. Now here click on Power and Battery. Now click on Screen. Now click on Screen and Sleep. Here guys, you will see option on battery power. When plugged in on battery power, put my device to sleep after. So here you can set time as you need, minimum 1 minute and maximum 5 hours. So change and set as your requirement. From here you can set here power mode. Optimize your device based on power use and performance. So select any best performance or best power. So this is the way guys you can change, and you can set screen timeout on Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.